Key points of the lesson. How to talk about address. The political and physical divisions of our India. Our address mentions exactly where we are located. India is located in the southern part of the continent of Asia. It is the seventh largest country in the world. India is divided into 29 states and 7 union territories, including the National Capital Territory of Delhi. All states and union territories have their capital city, and New Delhi is our national capital. Our country is divided into 6 physical divisions. The Northern Mountains, the Northern Plains, the Great Indian Desert, the Peninsular Plateau, the Coastal Plains, the Islands,